Today we are learning about pictographs. Please copy the standard benchmark indicator on a clean page in your math notebook. The student will collect, organize, and display a set of numerical data in a variety of forms using pictographs to draw conclusions and make predictions. A pictograph uses pictures as symbols to show information. Kara and Paul have started a dog walking business and can handle as many as 16 dogs a day. They are using a pictograph to help keep track of the dogs and to be sure they don't schedule too many per day. Study the graph, then answer the questions. We can see at the top it has a title, dogs per day, and then each day is listed on the left. And then for the dog symbols, the big dog represents 2 big dogs and the little dog represents 2 little dogs. So with the questions, starting with A, on what day of the week do they walk the most dogs? If we look back at the graph here, we can see that Tuesday has the most number of dogs on it. For B, how many small dogs do they walk on Friday? So if we go back and look at our graph here, we can see that on Friday they walk 6 big dogs and 4 little dogs. So it's 4 for B. For C, what is their least busy days? So again, we go back to the graph here. And if we look at it, Sunday has the fewest number of dog pictures on it, so they walk the fewest dogs on Sunday. Question D, on which days do they walk 6 little dogs? So we look back at our graph, we're looking for a day that has 3 little dog pictures on it, because we know each little dog stands for 2 little dogs, actually. So 3 pictures stands for 6 dogs. So if we look, Monday has 3 little dog symbols, and Wednesday. So on Mondays and Wednesdays, they walk 6 little dogs. For E, Paul walks the big dogs and Kara walks the little dogs. Who walks the most dogs each week? So if we start with Paul and we count up the big dog symbols here, 2 on Monday plus 3 on Tuesday, so 5. Add the 2 on Wednesday, that's 7. Plus 2 on Thursday is 9. Plus 3 on Friday is 12. Plus 1 on Saturday is 13. So that means we know that Paul walks 26 dogs. Next, we're going to go back and count up the little dog pictures. So if you start, we've got 3 on Monday, plus 4 on Tuesday, so that's 7. Plus 3 on Wednesday is 10. Plus 2 on Thursday is 12. Plus 2 on Friday is 14. Plus 2 on Saturday is 16. And plus 2 on Sunday is 18. So that means Kara, who walks the little dogs, walks 36 dogs. So she walks the most dogs. Question F. A neighbor calls and asks if they can add 4 more dogs on Tuesday or Wednesday. Which day can they add 4 more dogs? So here, if we go back to the paragraph at the beginning, we know they can handle as many as 16 dogs a day. So we need to see where they could add 4 more dogs. So the neighbor wants to do it on either Tuesday or Wednesday. So if we look at Tuesday and we count up, there are 7 dog pictures, so they're already walking 14 dogs on Tuesday, so they can't take 4 more. So if we look at Wednesday, they're only walking 10 dogs, so they could add 4 more dogs on Wednesday. For G, you need to write a question about the graph for a classmate to answer. So you need to make sure that question's written down, and we'll share those in class tomorrow. Please make sure you have all the work copied down and glue this page in your math notebook.